I'm at Oak Ridge Cemetery in Alachua County, Florida. It's definitely off the beaten path, about 3 miles east of Micanopy and 3 miles west of Rochelle. You've probably never heard of either one of those names, and that's not something to be ashamed of. Not too many people recognize those names, but in this cemetery there are plenty of veterans, Civil War, World War I, World War II. These appear to be the Feaster brothers. One of them fought in World War I and II. So we're gonna see what we can do to honor these veterans by Memorial Day with a clean headstone for each one of them, new American flag. They've got a cleanup scheduled for the 24th of April here in the cemetery. So we're gonna try to set the example for those folks, and hopefully they'll get them all cleaned up by Memorial Day. I think you'll agree, these two veteran headstones look a lot more respectable than they did when we first arrived. So we're going to finish up our project with PVC pipe flag holders and new 8-inch by 12-inch American flags. And there you have it. It's that easy to honor a veteran with a clean headstone by Memorial Day. Go to bymemorialday.com to watch videos and learn everything you need to know about how to properly clean a veteran headstone without doing any harm. You'll find a link at our website to the protocol issued by the National Cemetery Administration, again telling us how to properly care for these headstones that remain federal property. Key point as you're asking for permission from cemetery owners and managers that these are not personal property, they are federal property. Show them a copy of the protocol from that National Cemetery Administration so that they know how it's to be done and that you're going to follow their procedures. We don't use any metal brushes of any kind, no plastic brushes, no pressure washers, and absolutely no bleach. What we use are cleaning agents that contain quaternary ammonium compounds. 2 brand names that work fantastic and are listed in the protocol are D2 Biological Solution, which is what I use today, and Wet and Forget. So like us on Facebook, click that subscribe button here on YouTube, and go to veterangraves.com and register so that you can upload your local cemetery, upload each of your veterans to document their military stories, and take photos before and after, and you can upload those to veterangraves.com. I'm Trae Zipperer. Get out there in your local community by Memorial Day, clean your veteran headstones, and give them the honor and respect of the sacred ground that we do at our national cemeteries. Thank you for watching.